Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python projects, and in today's video we are going to write a program to open a website using Python. So let's start. Now I will go into my directory where I want to make the folder. I'll just go in it, Python. Now here I'll make a directory called web open. Now here cd web, cd web open cls. Now here I will open my VS Code editor. Now you tell me, should I use white theme or dark theme? For today's video I am going to use dark theme. Now here I am going to create a file called project4.py. Now here we need a package called web browser. So I will do pip install web browser. The spelling is wrong. I already have it, so I will not install. So I will import it. Import web browser. There is an extra space here. Yeah. Now here I'm just going to write web browser dot open. Here I'll just pass https://youtube.com/Yashass 20% 20 codes. Let's see, is it going to work or not. Control S to save. Now it will open my Chrome. Okay, here now I will give another website name here. Here I will give Google. Now Control S to save and play. Yeah, you have just opened Google. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you have pressed the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates of my videos. Thank you and bye bye.